Sowbugs are found in moist areas and are usually seen as beneficial. They feed on decaying matter and contribute to decomposition. However, they can become a pest when they venture indoors looking for damp places to hang out and food to eat. So in this video, we'll go over how to identify sowbugs and show you how to stop them from invading your home. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Sowbugs are tiny pests that fall between 0.5 to 0.75 inches in length. These slow-moving crustaceans look more closely like crayfish or shrimp than actual insects. They vary from gray to brown to almost purplish-black in color and have 7 pairs of legs, segmented antennae, and a segmented hard shell-like covering similar to that of an armadillo. Sowbugs are often confused with pillbugs. Though they look very similar, pillbugs have a more cylindrical appearance and can roll into a ball with their legs tucked inside for protection, while sowbugs are flatter and cannot roll up. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Sowbugs live in damp, dark environments. Outdoors, they can be found under rocks, logs, mulch, wood chips, leaf litter, wood piles, bricks, and landscaping. When inspecting outdoor sites, look for the sowbugs themselves hiding in damp soil. Indoors, they can be found in basements, crawl spaces, and any room on the ground level with high moisture. When inspecting indoors, check for any leaks or cracks and crevices the sowbugs can use to invade. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To treat your property for sowbugs and other pests, start with an application of Bifen LP. Bifen LP is a bifenthrin-based granular insecticide that will control a variety of turf and subterranean pests. This product will need to be applied with a push spreader, and a single application will protect treated areas for up to 3 months. To determine how much product you'll need, calculate the treatment area's square footage by measuring its length and width and multiply them together. You'll use this value to figure out how much product to apply. The labeled application rate for sowbug control is 4.6 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. Load your spreader with the proper amount of Bifen LP and evenly distribute all of it throughout your treatment area. Broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across your area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Once you've finished your Bifen LP application, water it into the soil to activate it. Next, to prevent sowbugs and other pests from entering your home, apply Supreme IT over your lawn and as a barrier application. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based concentrate that will provide residual control of treated areas for up to 90 days per application. While Bifen LP targets pests in the soil, Supreme IT will target pests on your grass, shrubbery, and foliage, and it will prevent pests from slipping into your home through tight openings. In a handheld pump sprayer, mix 0.5 fluid ounces of Supreme IT to make 1 gallon of finished solution to apply per 1,000 square feet. Broadcast the solution evenly over your lawn and apply it over any ornamentals on your property. To conduct a barrier application, spray entry points like windows, doorways, and along eaves. Then spray along the outer perimeter of your home by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Do not let people or pets enter the treated areas until the product dries in about 2 to 4 hours. The barrier will work to repel insects from treated areas, and insects that do make contact with the spray or its residual will have their nervous systems impacted and will die in hours. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent sowbugs from returning, declutter your yard by cleaning up leaf litter, wood piles, stones, bricks, and cluttered areas where they thrive. To prevent pests from entering your home, seal any cracks and gaps both inside and outside your property. Use Stuff-It copper mesh or Sealator Pro expanding foam to seal cracks and crevices. Finally, keep up with regularly scheduled applications of Bifen LP and Supreme IT. These products last for up to 90 days, so we recommend you make treatments every 3 months to ensure protection year-round. Remember to check out the links in the description to get Bifen LP, Supreme IT, and more with free shipping. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop Sowbugs and other pests from wandering into your home, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.